Hello, I'm Vicky.
And I'm Archer.
I want to show you today how to create a terrarium with
Zero and Jack.
And then this will be like the first plant. And then that's kind of how it's going to go. I'm going to squish some of the dirt. See if we have two good chunks though. This side. And I know they're falling, but that's okay. Nice, pretty good. Kind of break them apart. These are two good ones. I would say honestly, typically I do two of each, but I kind of want to add more variety in there. So maybe just one on each side would be okay. That way we have enough space for more plant. And then I would do one that's like equal in size. So one here. That's good. You just want to make sure it's like cleaning the glass. So we'll just add some, and then just kind of hold it when it's flat. Oh, that works good. And just kind of pushing them up. Grab them by the root. Just want to like stab it in there. You just want to make sure he's under the soil. Should I put it right in between the stick? Should we put him in the walkway? And just press him down, that way like pushes down on the soil too. It's coming together. So then I think the last step I think what we'll do is we might need to glue these guys. And then a bit of moss. Oh. That way we could share the, kind of need to hold on to it here. And then we're going to put a little bit of moss. And just hold. This
is loose. So I keep jumping now.
So welcome to look around. We also have a lot of pins on the sides too. That. There we go.